Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and finding the backup folder. Open iTunes on Windows or locate Mobile Sync /backup in App Data. Once done, make sure your iPhone is trusted and unlocked so the PC can read backups. That prevents access errors. You should also confirm the Apple ID used for the backup matches your device, because encrypted backups tie to credentials. Finally, note the backup timestamp and available disk space, since extracting large backups requires free room to save restored files. You now extract the data, install and run a trusted backup extractor that supports iTunes encrypted and unencrypted backups. Once running, choose Administrator Privileges and point the app to the Mobile Sync /backup folder you located earlier. Then select the specific data types you need, for example, photos, messages, contacts, or app files, because exporting everything can be slow and waste space. If the backup is encrypted, enter the backup password. Otherwise, the extractor will only access unencrypted content. Proceed with export to a safe folder. You finish by validating the exported files. Open photos, preview messages, and confirm timestamps to ensure integrity. Once done, copy confirmed files to your chosen folders and keep a backup of the exports. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by re-entering the backup password, running the extractor with admin rights, or trying a different extractor. Some tools handle corrupted catalogs better. Also, if iTunes shows no backup, check app data visibility and that the backup folder wasn't moved or renamed. These fixes often resolve access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.